Hi everyone, this is Simon Ojam and I have a background in accounting and finance. I work with USID Feed the Future and I'm fortunate to be part of Digital Africa Core 2 Fellowship. One exciting thing about me is that I love to learn, and every opportunity that I get, I love to learn and explore so that always I'll be updated with current trend.
My name is Paula Jacqueline Bewa. I have a background in psychology and economics. I'm currently an assistant M&E technical advisor. One of the interesting things about me is in my family, all the women on my mom's side, from her to her grandmother, and my aunts are Wednesday born.
Hi, my name is Ahmed. I have a background in computer science and I love traveling.
The quality of instructors were very good, great. They have been very, very helpful to us, especially someone like me who don't have IT background before I joined this program. But with the support of the instructors that we have, it makes things easy for me. For instance, instructors will follow up on assignment that they gave us and try to assist us on challenges that we are having. They also expect feedback from us to know areas that we still have challenge and then how best they will be able to address us. So I believe that the quality of instructors was very good and they have been very helpful to my journey as well.
How best I can describe the quality of training and support given to us during our time, I'll say it's exceptional, and with the best given with our time constraints coming from our tutors and the management board.
So the quality of the instructors, I'll say, is world class. We have very high, polite, or very professional teachers, very polite, very supportive, very encouraging, that want you to actually grow, and they find ways to give you resources that help you to learn whatever it is that you're learning even faster. And so I would say they are of high quality and very world class.
One of the major challenges that I had was merging work with this program. I work in a very high demanding environment, so at the beginning it was a bit difficult to merge the program with what I do. But as time goes on, I developed strategies as to how to overcome it, and for now I'm good to go.
One of the challenges I faced here was prioritizing my time and wanting time to be able to study. I was at the beginning of my training here, I was always waiting for time to come to me, but I never did, so I had to stop with the excuses and then make the time work for me.
Challenges that I had while was I think in the machine learning models. The challenge I was having then was being able to learn how those machine learning models were working and how to adapt them to their various industries. But I was able to overcome that through help from the instructor and my fellow classmates. The instructor was really good because he was always willing to go back from time to time, even as many times as we needed to. So he was willing to go back from time to time just to ensure that everybody was, on the same level or equal level.
One specific instance that I could provide with the aid of this program was at work, at my workplace. I work as a finance person. So there is one data, a very huge data that we need to analyze. Unfortunately, we don't have a data analyst. So it came to my desk and my boss gave it to me to work on it. And when I saw the data, I was very scared, but with the help of Python knowledge, I was able to manipulate the data and then work on it, analyze it very well, and interpret it very well. And at the end of the day, it helps me to get accolades from my bosses.
At the beginning, I'm learning the fundamentals in Python, the basics in Python. I was able to use it to create a system for our transfer units where I work. And from looking around in my community, I've identified major problems that could evolve, that we could evolve from. So I'm ready to put all that I've learned here into practice.
With my newfound skills, I intend to be able to give back to the community through training of beginners on machine learning, data science, skills that I've learned here at Blossom Academy. I also intend to improve my technical writing to share what I've learned more to other people around the globe.
The advice I'll give to anyone who get this opportunity as I got it is that it should be very ready for this program. It is something that you have to be prepared, and you have to really sacrifice some time and some resources into it. So whoever is ready to take this path, I advise you to be ready for the program, to organize yourself and make some little sacrifice to acquire this very important knowledge and skills.
The best advice I can give someone enrolling in the next cohort would be go for it. Don't overthink it. Don't even think twice. Just go for it, because you don't know what you're signing for. And with Blossom, honestly, you strive for it. They give exceptional leadership skills and exceptional quality education. Even the management, you feel like family over here. So I'll truly say go for it.
So advice to anyone interested in joining the next cohort. I feel it's going to be a really big opportunity. For me, I still see it as a big opportunity because I've learned so much. I've been able to leave my field of software engineering into like data science, and that has opened my eyes to a whole lot of new learnings and new opportunities. And I believe that anyone who is interested in joining should actually take the opportunity, be courageous, and take that chance to apply for the next cohort.
Yeah, Digital Africa, I say very big thank you to you. I believe that your investments have really improved my life and have improved the life of my colleagues as well. So we are grateful for the support you've given us, and then we are going to exploit to the world to make sure that we make this world a better place for us all to be. Also to Blossom Academy, Charlie, you guys are so great, and we are really, really grateful for the support you provide us, and also to be the vessel that Digital Africa used to impart this knowledge into young people like us. We are really grateful, and thank you very much.